Merittrack is India's oldest assessment company in the private space. We are a pure play assessments company who's been developing and creating and delivering assessments for corporates, for government, and for the education sector over the last 13 years. We are today a wholly owned subsidiary of the Manipal Education Group. The assessment market was in its infancy when we started 13 years ago. It's reached a certain stage of maturity. Assessments moving online, gone from being a completely paper-based examination era to embracing technology, and technology driving a lot of changes in the assessment space in terms of online assessments, in terms of digitized evaluation of answer scripts in universities and so on and so forth. So that's on the delivery or the technology side, but assessment itself has moved from being a pure play, multiple choice question kind of an assessment to more into simulation mode. People have begun to accept behavioral assessments in a very big way, even for fresh level, entry level recruits, which wasn't the case as late as even 2 years ago. The core word in HR is all about talent, from talent creation to talent management, deployment, so on and so forth. And in all this, there's a decision that HR has to take. Who do you deploy where? Who do you hire? Once hired, how do I know if someone has good potential, how the potential can be taken up? Each of those activities, if you look at it, requires a decision to be made, and the decision has to be made based on data and not just gut feel, and the data would come in from assessments. So we have a host of solutions that help corporates to make all these decisions, right from making the right recruitment decision, be it for a fresh level recruit or a senior recruit, to, as I said before, identifying the gap analysis, what training needs to be given to identify the gap, doing a resource inventory within the organization, multiple needs, every step of the HR process. There is a requirement for data on the persons that they have employed, and Merittrack has the ability to create the assessments to solve that need. HR Excellence Forum, as far as I have seen over the last couple of days, has been quite a good success. We've had good eminent speakers coming in and giving their experiences about how the HR industry has evolved, various challenges that they're facing, how they are using various innovative methods to solve those challenges. It is especially important for India because as the Indian economy moves from what was a couple of decades ago agrarian and industrial to a completely service-oriented economy, fully dependent on people, it's important that the HR industry gets recognized for the contribution they have made in making all these people drive these companies to greater growth. And HR Excellence Forum is definitely a good platform for people not only to reward good practitioners of HR, but more critically also to share thoughts, adopt best practices, so that the learning curve of reflecting HR in the changing times is much shorter.